Welcome. Welcome to the 3-day gut reset workshop. My name is Dr. N. Rambabu. I am a Gastrouble cure expert. So, next coming 3 days, I am your mentor. So, first of all, congratulations to you. You have taken the best decision in your life by investing in 3-day gut reset workshop. So this YouTube channel is completely dedicated to the content which is very essential for the people who want to overcome their gut issues like gastritis, GERD, IBS, acidity, constipation. So do consider subscribing this channel right now. So our 3-day gut reset workshop is all about how to cure our gut issues. It's not a temporary solution. We are going to get the permanent cure. So our 3 days curriculum will be like this. On day 1, you are going to learn about what is the main causative factor for your gut issues. And the second thing is action plan creation. On the day 2nd is the creating the proper action plan. And 3rd day is by the end of the 3rd day we have to get a minimum 30 to 50% result. So this total 3 days gut reset workshop is majorly focusing on you getting the result. It is a hand-holding way of workshop. So I am going to hand-hold you every day, and I will help you to get a minimum of 30 to 50% result within the 3 day itself. So attend the total sessions live. Join the class before 10 minutes. Okay, so it will be the total workshop is an interactive way. I am going to interact with you on every day, and I will try to understand about you, about your nature. I am going to coach you, train you on that, how to overcome it. Okay, so I am super excited to meet you tomorrow. I am going to meet new friends in my life. I am very much excited. Okay, once again, just say to yourself and just say to yourself that you have taken the best decision, and just come to the workshop with a pen and a notebook. In this workshop, we are going to learn about how to overcome the gut issues without medicines, without any food restrictions, without any kind of yoga, without any kind of meditation, without any kind of any drinks like that. It's a completely it's a total session is completely purely on the awareness. What is the awareness you should get to overcome it permanently? That's you are going to get in our workshop. You can expect per day a 10 to 15% result. So be ready for tomorrow's workshop. Okay, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow live. Thank you.